Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the Bitcoin price and the fact that we achieved 30k level. That's a very important, that's a psychological level. And more importantly, if you remember my previous videos, I told you somewhere here and here that the real euphoria will start when we hit this target, 30k, 28, and that's exactly what I predicted. And look at this picture. Here is written that Bitcoin's return to 30k comes with a huge surge of crowd euphoria, significantly more than at 25k. That's exactly what I was talking to you when we were close to 25. That's not real euphoria. Look at this chart. You can clearly see that right now we have the biggest euphoria during last few months. So the message of this video, time to sell is when the majority of people, when crowd wanna buy. That's exactly what I was talking to you all this time. And if you are like a spot trader as me, so we spent like 5 months, probably 140 days in one position, and I finally fixed something the first time somewhere here with entry price 17k. That's incredible trade. We also had a few long positions with perfect entry price. So if you if you're one of these kind of trader, you really should know that when you feel fear, that's time to buy. If you feel greedy, it's time to sell. Now I clearly feel euphoria on the market because all of my friends, they started to ask me about crypto again. The last time when it was somewhere here. Literally, it's like I even forget about this feeling when everyone call you with only one question. If you see somebody whom you didn't talk to like more than half a year, it means that he want to ask you something about crypto. It's like what I feel last 2 weeks. That's exactly what I see right now. And I just want to say that I sold 50% of my portfolio with 28,600. When we went up more, this few percents, I sold a few percents more. So right now my average selling price is like 28,800, probably something like this. It doesn't really matter. In my previous video, I told you that that's our potential scenario. Let me show you. Yeah, so I expected this kind of move up, but after this I thought we will go down. It was very logically, it's kind to argue about this because we had a lot of rejections from this resistance line. So will we get this decline? Now I'm not sure. I also told you that probably I'm going to speculate on a short position, but I'm not going to do it because I decided that it's completely stupid. You know what? I just wanted to have fun because it was very boring to look at this chart all the time without any different candles. But I just realized that I'm not going to do it because that's always stupid to go against the trend. Trend is the most important thing we can. We have bullish trend on the 4 hours time frame and daily time frame. So I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to short it. And at the same time, I'm looking for the place to sell all of my positions because that's the expectation I have about the market is that we will see something like this in the middle term. Yeah, and we will go somewhere lower, probably maybe even here, but it doesn't really matter right now. The point, we will go lower after this local all-time high. So the message of this video that we should be ready to sell, and I feel euphoria right now. That's exactly when I need to sell. I saw it a lot of times in my future crypto journey. I sold here because of euphoria. I sold here. I sold here. So I told you the story about my friends. I really feel like we will go down soon. I think it's not going to happen tomorrow. I think it's going to happen approximately in the end of the May. There is even a special sentence, I don't know how to say in English for this, say in May and go away. That's probably what we will have. I still expect some kind of altcoin season because the majority of the altcoins, they are much more lower than the Bitcoin except Ethereum. They are much more lower, much more. So I made a lot of right decisions. I spent 5 months in one trade and I sold half of my position here. I was completely right when I said that we're gonna buy Bitcoin only. I put like 90% of my portfolio in Bitcoin here, and I was right because Bitcoin made 80% in our point of view, but because of some speculations, because we sold here, bought here again, we made 100%, which is very good result for the 5 months. That's incredible result. But more importantly is what's going to happen next. I don't know. I cannot make a super current prediction as I make it before because I see right now this support line here. Now it's our support. Now I'm not sure that we will go down, lower, or we will make exactly as I do up on my previous video. We can go up just because of the EUPHORIA, because bulls, they can start buying depending on the price. What I'm gonna do in this case, I don't know. So I'm just waiting patiently on the some opportunity to take a trade, which I will really believe in. Somewhere here, if we get this price, I will sell. I will make a video, of course, about this, but now I'm just waiting patiently. I haven't bought any altcoins more, I have enough. I still have 50% of my Bitcoin portfolio. Basically, I have 50% of my portfolio. Now, right now, it's like more in crypto because of this 7% plus. So, exactly. That's what I wanted to say. Nothing has changed globally, but we got to be ready to sell. Ethereum is always bad. I know that potentially we can achieve 48,000 just because of the Fibonacci curve level. Yeah, so you can see it's 0, 6, 1, 8, 48. Do I believe that it's gonna happen? Probably not. I'm not gonna risk because I've already risked a lot. So there's nothing to say anymore. I already said everything I wanted. Ethereum has come. That's a bet. The last wave probably will be in May. Let's open Ethereum just to have fun. Yeah, it's going up much more higher than Bitcoin. It's also not a super good sign because it means that we are close to the end. Here is the place where I will fix probably my first, I don't know. I'm gonna make a new video about this. See, that's the altcoins that I have, and they are in a big profit right now. I'm looking for a place to sell, literally, because I told you my prediction. In the middle term, I expect that we will make a reversal somewhere here during the next few months. So it's gonna look like this, probably. Let's open the XY. USDT. You know that I made also prediction about the USDT. I think that that's our target. And right now we finally broke this line. I hope we will go down because there's a very simple pattern. Is if USDT dominance falls, Bitcoin grows. That's very simple. And the last one, let's open the XY. It's also in a moment going down. I hope it will go down as well because it's going to be a good sign. The same pattern. If USA dollar currency index falls, Bitcoin market and stock market grows. That's simple. Let's open S&P. I hope it's grow. Yeah, so no, it's not my favorite chart. Here you can see, but you already can see that my prediction is working out completely right. It makes me happy, it makes me proud, of course, but the most important thing is to sell in the right place right now. Otherwise, all of my right decisions, they don't have any sense. We got to be ready to sell. That's all. See you in the next video.